Morning, guys. Today is 24th of June, 2019. I'm just doing my weekly analysis for this whole week. Currently, I'm starting with Euro GBP. The trade I took out an hour ago. Currently, just sitting on at entry. Yeah, just 2 pips, 2 pips in minus. Right now, this is what I'm looking for. Right, this is what I'm looking for. As long as the price is, we like to see daily closes below there. Then still the setup is valid, and if it closes above, it's become more risky. At the moment, this is what I noticed. Obviously, we got a strong bullish move, followed by a pullback. Then what I noticed is it failed for next. It failed one test to make a new high. Then today, this morning, I mean, when I took it, it was on around this area. So this candle, I didn't expect it, but it's just about entry, so it's nothing really changed. But I didn't like to see that bullish candle, although it's a 4-hourly. But still, I'm focusing on this area. So long as it's below there, this is the move I'm expecting. Probably see some fight around here, but alternatively, this is the area that I'm looking for. This is the move I'm looking for. And if we get through this, then 88 is the area that I'm expecting to head towards. So it's something, setup is there. It's still valid. There's nothing really I have anything to concern about. Just what basically entry now. So let's see how that plays out. It's just that I'm expecting that pullback to take place. So let's see if we can get it. And end of the day, we don't like to see the price closes above 89.60. Long as below 89.60, we are still okay with it. So our focus should be, where is the daily candle closing? Is it below here, above here? Then we need to make a decision to say, take a little loss or hold and see. And long as below 89.40, there's no way I'm coming out of the trade because nothing changed. And hopefully we get below 89. That will give us a good opportunity to get to there. So let's see how that plays out. Keep those the areas that I just highlighted, keep them in mind, and you can make your own decisions. Right, we've got Euro USD. We had a good trade on Friday, Euro USD on buy. But right now, still a buy. To me, still a buy. But we can't just jump in right there where it is now, because where you're going to put your stop, risk reward is not good. So we have to wait to go long. You have to wait for a pullback to take place. Are you going to get a pullback? Ideally, if you could get it here, watch for the price action, then target buy here, followed by possibly 15. And alternatively, if we could get here, that would give us good risk reward. If we could get to the 1280, that would give us good risk reward, and we can target here, followed by this one. So that is my setup. Basically, I'm more of waiting for Euro USD. It's something that's not going to jump in. And if we go into smaller time frame, let's see. On even 4-hourly, there's no signs of selling opportunity as yet. We probably get some selling pressure around 1450. But this is what is it? This is what actually looking for, 1450 at least. This is what's looking for. So we probably see today around 1450. But for us to take it, we like to see at least somewhere around here, maybe at least here. Even here, we can say, all right, we'll put our stop below 82, 1280, and then we target here and then 15. Then still risk to reward is good. But ideally, I like to see around back testing 13, 1280. Those are the areas that for me to go long. So those are the areas I'll be watching out for. Otherwise, it could just continue with that downtrend. So we just have to be careful. As things stand, Euro USD is more, for me, more towards 1450 followed by 15, possibly higher. This is Euro NZD on daily. Euro NZD, what I'm noticing on Euro NZD is I don't think it has formed a top yet, but it's showing a good sign of possibly forming a top here. But right now, I missed the entry in early morning. So pretty much I'm more of waiting right now to see what Euro NZD do. So if I can get Euro NZD, to there, if I see another failed test at 72.60, 72.50 area, then I will be taking I'm looking to go short, target this, followed by, if we break through this, you could expect towards 69. So that is what my set out is there. It's just waiting for the market to get to the area that I'm looking for. 72.50, that will give me good risk to reward. Stop above here, and even get to here, that will be 122, 124. Yes, risk to reward is very good. I will be consider taking that position, but I have to see the price or somewhere around there. I'll not jump in where it is now, and let's see where that goes. So just watch out for those areas, guys. If you see market there, that's when you should be getting ready. Quite a few requests on gold. This is gold. At the moment, is everything showing is bullish. Daily, hourly, is everything looking bullish. So taking position short is I won't advise you. But what we can see right now is, as I said, it's nothing changed from last week. My last week analysis. I was expecting from here, I think market was there. No, market was at 90 at the time. So there, I was looking for this pullback and then for me to go long. But it couldn't get to there. It managed to get to 80. From 80, it's starting to continue the bull move. So right now, what you're seeing is last week we had a price rejection at 14.11. We had another rejection today at 14.11. It's kind of indicating we may possibly get this pullback. But at the moment, because price is trading above 14 and it's starting to hold that 14 level, we'll probably see continue with upwards move, which could take price to 14.50. 15 is the area that I think is likely to go to. But for a pullback, what you can do is, if you're really looking to take a position on gold, what you can do is, if you see if the price is going back up here again, say it's doing this, and you see a failed test, maybe an hourly, you can just put your stop here, maybe 30 pips, and then what you can do is you can target 14, which is pretty much 100 pips. Then you can target 13.90, and then after that you just watch and see what it does. Because if it drop below 14, then we very much possibly we get that pullback I'm looking for, which is 1370 to 1360. So that's something to watch out for. But I am more planning myself to buying opportunity around the areas that I will remark top. So those are the areas that I'm looking to take position if I see markets there, because overall for me it's showing a direction towards 15. So I am happy to take position around this area. So let's see how that plays out. As I said, short term, if you're looking for a short, you just don't put too big stop. You just tight stop and then look for those, because even if you get there, you manage to take a position here with a very tight stop, and you do get that pullback, pretty much 400 or 500 pips there. So that is possible, but I am more waiting for it gold. And even if I see something happening here, I'll probably say, guys, let's take a 30 pips. I'll inform you guys in the channel if I see it happening in front of me. Right, thanks a lot, guys. That's all I got in terms of what I'm going to focus on this week. JPY, this one is very much doing what I was looking for last week. So now I'm waiting for JPY to take a nice pullback and then continue with the direction we are buying from. So that's all, guys. Have a good trading day, trading week, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.